We are about to embark on one of the biggest adventures we have ever done on this channel. So just to give you guys an idea,
this is the amount of bags that we traveled with last year.
your bag's running away.
This is the amount we're traveling with this year.
What are we doing?
I hope we have everything.
I hope so too. So we have just said goodbye to our family and we are now at OR Tambo International Airport in Johannesburg, South Africa, and we are about to board a flight to probably what is our biggest adventure yet. But you're probably wondering, well, what are you guys doing? I'm sure you have guessed that by the thumbnail, but if you haven't, if you know us, we generally travel by plane, taxis, scooters, you name it, and we've done so all over Asia, but this year is going to be completely different.
We are about to hop on a plane all the way to Scotland, and yes, I know that it is the middle of winter there, but I promise you there is a method to our madness. But before we explain everything, we actually have a flight to catch.
We here. Thank you. And I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. I think it's like 6 degrees. I need to get a jacket.
And as we leave the gates of the airport to step outside, we can officially say we are in Scotland, and also the first time ever in Europe.
Yeah, it is ridiculously cold. Yeah, I'm not wearing a jacket. We just came from summer and we've actually experienced summer for 5 years in a row. This is the first winter we're going to be experiencing. It's not that bad actually.
It's 6 degrees outside according to our captain, and this is what Daniel's deciding to wear.
It's fresh, it's like an aircon. It's free aircon. Okay, let's get an Uber to our Airbnb.
We'll see how long he can survive in his shorts and t-shirts.
For Daniel, eh? Yes, thank you.
This is what you have to deal with when you pack more luggage.
We are in. Amazing. Thank you so much, eh? Appreciate it. Enjoy. We will do so. Stay safe. It's called the Buddymoon. We already got our first subscriber. Thank you. You must watch our Pakistan videos and Scotland videos. Oh, everything's so wet. Good morning, guys.
So yesterday was just a long day. We were absolutely knackered by the time we came back from the airport. We went to bed at 6 o'clock last night and slept for a solid 10 hours.
Yeah, I don't think we've ever done that.
But this is literally the last Airbnb we are staying in.
Yeah.
For the rest of our travels.
Yeah, we're going to have a very big surprise today, and it's probably why you've been watching this video, is because we actually have a very big announcement.
Drum roll, please. We bought a van.
Yeah, we bought a van, a camper van, so we're actually going to be van lifing. After traveling Asia for so long, I did not think that we were actually going to be doing something like this. I'm actually a little bit scared, to be honest.
Me too. We have not really seen this van at all.
No.
We are buying a van in a foreign country that we have never been to, and a van that we have not seen. We've seen pictures.
Yeah, we've seen pictures. So we actually bought this van online, and we've only had like a little bit of a walkthrough. We called the guy and had a video call, and he showed us around. So just to show you what the van actually looks like, this is what it looks like. These are the type of pictures that we've seen. Here's the inside. So it kind of has like a kitchen, a dining room table, and as well as a bed.
And I really hope that everything is good with the van and it actually meets up with our expectations.
Yeah, we have never seen it, so and we've paid full for it.
Yeah.
Which is kind of scary.
I think other than quitting our jobs, this is like the biggest risk we have ever taken.
And we're just going to be traveling all over the UK and as well as Europe in this van for the next year. We are super excited to be actually doing this and actually like sharing our journey with you. It's something we never thought we would do, and today's the day we're actually going to go and fetch the van.
I didn't sign up for this weather.
So we are now just walking to a train station where we're going to grab a train towards Glasgow Central, and then from there we're going to head more down south where we're actually going to be picking up our van. Buying train tickets to get to Glasgow. It's confusing yet simple. Approved. You got a ticket.
Yay!
Okay, where's my tickets?
Cost £4.20 for the both of us.
No, that's one.
Is that for one person? I miss Asia already.
Here's your ticket, mate.
Thank you.
Okay, now I gotta get me one. Looks like my machine has frozen. No, there's no officer here.
No, that's fine. Yeah, that's a good idea. Just take a picture and then just show that to the ticket examiner.
Okay, I'll do that. Thank you so much. Seems like I just got a free ticket. Apparently I need to take a photo of this machine and then just hop on the train.
Oh, look, it's a Scottish train. I feel like I'm in like Harry Potter somewhere, right? This is the cutest train station I've ever been in. I mean, in South Africa we don't really use public transport, but this is gorgeous as a train station.
Oh, it's much warmer in here.
We literally just made it. I wish I could have explored that train station just a little bit more, but there was absolutely no time.
So we are now taking a train from Glasgow all the way to Dumfries, and then we're going to be taking a bus from there all the way to New Galloway where our van is.
Look at it, there's snow.
Oh my word, there's snow.
You probably think we're such idiots, but we've never seen snow in our life. So I cannot wait to actually physically feel what snow feels like.
It feels so wild to see snow.
It's pretty, isn't it?
It's so pretty. Like, look at that. Those sheep must be cold. Cold. So now we actually have to take a bus towards New Galloway, but kind of seems a little bit confusing. So we found a sign over here, or a board that kind of tells us. Google is saying that we need to take 500 bus. It's like the bus number is 500, but we don't really know.
According to this map, in order to get from Dumfries to New Galloway, we have to take the 521. And if I look at the schedule, it's only coming at 1:30. And it is currently 11:30.
Oh well, I guess let's just wait for the bus and trust that Google is more right than that thing. Hi, how are you?
Yeah.
Do you go to Castle Douglas?
Yes.
Okay, cool. How much is it a ticket?
Yeah. 4:30 single.
Can I get 2, please? Amazing. Thank you so much.
Out of the cold at least. But we're going to catch this bus to Castle Douglas, and then we'll have to catch another bus to New Galloway.
Ooh, okay.
Before Daniel falls over.
It's going. It's so confusing. Thank you.
Yeah.
Is this to New Galloway?
Oh, yes.
Yes, 2 please. Thank you.
I saw it in the parking lot.
I think that's our van. We just got a glimpse of our van.
This is
Oh
so
my gosh.
exciting.
I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. Thank you. Oh, good. Oh, good. So here's our guy. He's actually got our van. He actually recognized us right as we climbed out of the bus. I'll just sit in front. Thank you, Jimmy.
This is my wife's car.
Oh, is this the wife's car? So there is our van.
This is so exciting. It's exactly as I thought it would be. Wow.
No way.
It's actually perfect. It's exactly like the pictures. I can't believe this is going to be our home.
No way.
I honestly cannot believe that we're going to be calling this our home. This is amazing. It feels so surreal.
This is absolutely crazy. This is what we're going to be staying in for. I actually don't even know how long, but this is our van. This is where we're going to be sleeping.
Welcome home, sweetie.
Welcome home. This is so surreal. It looks exactly like the photos.
Oh, I'm so excited to actually make this ours. We'll give you a full van tour, but it's perfect. It's got everything that we need.
We've got a gas stove and we've got a basin This is amazing. We've also got a diesel heater right here on the side. This is so cool, and this is going to be our bed. Oh, it feels alright. Do you want to sit on it? Just be careful your head.
How do I get up here?
I don't know.
Without standing on the seat. This is gonna be our bed. This is so cool.
This is where I'm going to be working, eating, sitting.
So you've already claimed that spot.
I don't know. It's got views. I've got views.
I feel like we're gonna fight over that spot.
And you're actually quite a distance away.
Can sit here, relax, eat some lunch. This is great.
And look at the car park. Well, we do have lots of plans for this van. We're actually still going to do a few changes to it, but we're going to do that in other episodes and not this one. But I guess the first thing that we actually have to do is we need to register this car in our name and on the tax portion, because it's currently not taxed in our name, and if we get stopped by police we're going to have a problem. And then from there onwards we can actually drive to Glasgow and actually try and get some stuff for the van, because
Tomorrow is actually going to be the first night that we spend in this van.
oh
I have a comfy
my
seat.
gosh.
You're so far.
This is our van. Yo, you doubt me.
I'm gonna maybe make the middle seat my seat.
Are you?
Yeah.
This is crazy.
How do
Oh my
you-
gosh, I'm going to drive the van for the first time.
How do you feel about it?
It actually feels like a car, not a van.
So you feel confident?
Yeah, this is crazy. It's
Oh my
absolutely
gosh.
crazy.
It's huge.
Ooh. Okay, we got some fans going on.
Okay.
Okay.
Ready?
You ready?
Seatbelt.
Okay.
Ready.
Oh, it doesn't want to start. Okay, wait there. Whoops. Are you ready?
Uh-huh.
Okay, lights off. Oh, it sounds like a diesel. It's a diesel, by the way. Okay, well, we got to drive to Glasgow because we've got one night there in accommodation still.
We have
And
to
then-
go to IKEA.
Yeah,
We have to clean the van.
yeah,
We've got a lot to do
yeah.
by tomorrow evening before we're able to spend our first night in this van. Remember, you got a big boot behind you.
I actually do keep forgetting that. Are you ready?
Don't hit other cars. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Whoa.
ooh.
Okay, gotta get used to that. Luckily, we drive manual cars. Oh my gosh, it's so big. This is huge. I feel like I'm driving a truck. Okay. Glasgow, here we come. Oh, so weird.
And the roads are not that wide either, so let's hope no other big cars come while we're learning how to drive this one. So luckily with this van, because it's not like a double axle at the back or a double wheel at the back, we don't have to get another driver's license like a truck's driver's license. We can actually just get a normal driver's license in order to drive this around. You good? You can go. Oopsie. There we go.
I stalled it.
It's fine. You're gonna maybe stall it a few times
Okay, yeah, I just gotta
and
get
just
used
gotta
to the
get used
clutch.
to it. How cute is this little bridge?
Wee little bridge in Scotland. Oh my gosh, it's so big. I feel like I'm gonna bump every single car. Oh my word. How do truck drivers drive? Okay, next gear. Okay. Hey. Oh, and we got some power.
Well, I must say, I think I'm going to enjoy being passenger princess. I would like to try and drive the van, but definitely not right now. I think we'll get used to it for a little bit before I give it an attempt.
We have an empty tank, so we need to put fuel.
And the fuel gauge is on my side.
You know what? We got to do this ourselves. We'd never filled up fuel by ourselves.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I have no idea what I'm doing.
In South Africa and all over Asia, you have someone at the station. So yeah, this is going to be a new experience. Hopefully we just don't get the petrol wrong. We need to put in diesel.
There we go. Do I just pick it up?
I think so.
Diesel B7 or diesel B7?
Diesel V7.
Shell fuel save. I think we just put it in, eh? And then? Oh, that was easy. I just put it in and I pressed the button.
How big is the fuel tank?
I actually have no idea. How much do we put in? I don't know how to take it out. Oh, okay. It just came out. I think we're gonna go inside and pay. Hi, how you doing? I'd just like to pay for fuel at number 5.
£100 exactly.
That's correct.
Well, thank
Amazing.
you.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay. Well, that worked. We have fuel. All right. Let's go to Glasgow. 312 miles of 64 liters. That's what we have. It says a full tank, but I highly doubt so.
Hey, you're a professional already. Well done.
Okay, hands on the steering wheel, hands on the steering wheel.
Focus, Daniel.
Baby, we bought a van in Scotland. In Scotland?
We bought a caravan. We've got to go buy sausages for the caravan.
You want sausages for the caravan? Sausages?
Sausages?
Sausages for the caravan?
Clearly you can see our excitement, right? I hope you are excited just as much as we are. One thing I can say about Scotland is that it has beautifully cut lawns. Like, who cuts the lawn? Is it the farmers or is it the sheep? But everywhere you go is just beautiful lawns and beautiful mountains and beautiful scenery. And this is just the start of Scotland. I cannot wait to see the rest of it.
Check, we have a rainbow.
We have a rainbow.
Fun fact, by the way, Scotland's national animal, is it national animal?
Yep.
Is a unicorn. Really, Scotland? Really?
I've never seen a unicorn, so if there are unicorns here in Scotland, hopefully we see one.
We just brought the van for a car wash.
And she looks super, super, super clean.
It actually looks like a new van.
It really does. One thing we actually need for the van is a name. So if you could help us out with a name, that would be great.
The London bus. Thunderbolt and lightning, very, very frightening.
Fireball, or Big Red.
There's a few. So we've just stopped here at IKEA in order to find some stuff for the van, which you will not believe what we got for dinner. Because they have food here.
Apparently they have food specials at IKEA on a Friday. Who knew? We came here on the right day.
This is not the section. IKEA is huge. Check out this. They just have massive displays of everything.
I feel like we haven't really looked at the van so much, so we kind of just need to get the necessities and then we can decorate at a later stage. We've just picked our first item for the van, and that is like little cooking utensils. We're gonna definitely need these. Gonna be cooking our own meals, which I'm actually excited for because we can eat healthier this year.
Whoever thought that would be our first item?
We need this. We need one of these and one of these.
So they have light warm duvets, they have warm duvets, and guess what Leanne's going for?
Extra warm. I definitely don't want to freeze.
Extra warm duvets.
Pillows, fitted sheet, and
One more pillow.
Daniel's pillow. And it's officially moving day. Oh my goodness, look how much stuff we have.
I know, this is mad. I don't think we fully know what we're getting ourselves into here. Look at the amount of stuff we have that we bought. And I mean, this is nothing. Inside the boot, we still got this. Our Airbnb down there has still got a whole bunch of things.
We're crazy. I don't know how we're gonna fit in this van, but today is gonna be our first time in the van, but we'll show you that in the next video.
So we're so excited for this journey. We can't believe that it's actually happening, and thinking that we only have like a day here in Glasgow to sort everything out, and now we're going to be living in the van is kind of crazy. I feel like
It's
we're
madness.
stupid.
Yeah. I feel like we haven't properly had time to prepare or let it sink in, but
Yeah.
I'm actually really excited to spend time in this van and kit it out and make it ours.
Yeah.
But remember that the van actually still needs a name, so don't forget to comment that down below.
Yeah, we need a name for the van. We need a name. But otherwise, if you guys did like this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and also give a super thanks if you can. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one where we sleep in the van.
I'm so excited.